gosh, people, look what happened to the banana tree. One of the banana trees. Look, the wind has blown it down. You can see. Oh man, look. Look there.
So in actual fact, guys, just a typical
banana tree.
Every banana tree in our garden actually blew down. I can get a picture of it, but where you can see one.
I guess that's part of it, isn't it?
All of that you see on the left-hand side, every single banana tree in our garden and in our neighbour's garden,
banana tree is
actually blown right down, flat to the ground.
There's Outlaw there, eating. Every few minutes, the current keeps chipping in and chipping out again.
Gone now.
It's gone now. You'll probably come back up in a minute.
It's come out from me now.
Yeah, of course it is. It just keeps coming in and out every minute. Guys, look at this now. So first it was just one of the banana trees. Hold on. First it was just one of the banana trees that went down here. And look now, look how many, nearly all of them. One there as well, look. Look. That one's gone. Look, I don't really see. Yeah, that one's gone there. That one. That one's gone. That one over there is gone. Some more have gone. I think there's only one standing. There's one in it.
Everything was okay.
Yeah, that them one's there.
Fever grass, right?
Fever grass is going on good.
Still strong.
Yeah.
Still have to drink that wood.
Yeah. But our banana trees, yeah.
Out.
They're out.
They all went up, man.
They're out. Mango tree is good though. The mango tree is got up firm. Yeah. Look at the setup. So this is this is like the veranda, right? At the side of the house. And look what we did. We just put the sofa. Look, watch him. Cook up foot, eating cheese sticks. We just moved one of the sofas right here. Right in the front. So we can just sit down and get the breeze. That is it.
Look the chair.
Yeah, the chairs are on our front here, look. Blown away. Outlaw says he's going to get them, but the rain is too heavy. Leave them where they are. Yeah, that one's moving it.
Oh, man.
Okay, at this point, guys, I'm just going to insert some clips that I've taken on social media to show you the aftermath of Beryl in Jamaica, and also some of the clips during the hurricane as well, okay? So just so that you can get an idea of what's happening on the island.
I need some help. It's a bro God. One of them gone. Make us some fire. I'm afraid that everything is gone. Yeah, man. Everything go gone. Everything gone.
This is work I'm working
with. Suppose. Yeah! What Christian?
I locked it.
Jesus Christ! Oh my God, man! This is the new road.
But Juvenile, look, Juvenile, listen to me.
First degree manslaughter.
Right guys, it's now 7 o'clock and it's still raining. It's dark now, I can't really see out there. Still raining. The wind is it's not as windy, but now the rain has started. More rain. Outlaw's still there. Look guys.
Sure.
Candles. Yeah, because we've got no current, so the candles are out.
I miss my lamp, you know.
You should have bought one when you saw it in my face.
Home, see it home.
So that is it. 7 o'clock, still no current, no Wi-Fi, no service or data on the phone because it's, you know, the phone lines are down, and that's it. So this is us, guys. Yeah.
So we're chilling.
That is it.
Damn.
We will keep you updated. Hey everybody, just an update. So it's 1 o'clock the next day, 1 o'clock in the afternoon the following day after the hurricane. So you would have hopefully, it depends on how I do this video, but you would have probably seen some of the clips of the hurricane and what it's done, and clips of my place and what it's done to some of the trees around the back. We are safe, so we are good, and there was no damage to the house or to any of the houses on the compound. It was just trees, and all of our banana trees are gone, every one of them. But that's really it. But for me, this is the hardest part right now because we have no electricity. We've had no current for 24 hours now. Yeah. So from about this time yesterday, 1 o'clock, 12:30ish, the current went. It's 10 past 1 now. 24 hours later, we've still got no current. This is the hardest part for me because the place is hot. I'm unable to cool down. I'm in the car right now with the AC on because it's the only way I can get a little cooling. So you know, with no current, there's no Wi-Fi, right? That's one thing. But the other thing that's really annoying is that I'm unable to get in contact with family members to let them know that I'm okay. So the last time I spoke to any of my family members was 24 hours ago. So I just need to let them know that I'm okay, that we're all good. But the phone lines are down, right? So even though the Wi-Fi is off, there's Mr. Outlaw.
Yeah.
For the vlog.
Oh,
even though I'm just explaining to them everything, 24 hours of no current, 24 hours of no Wi-Fi, of course, and almost 24 hours with no phone lines as well, because even though the Wi-Fi is down, both Outlaw and I have service on our phones, so we have data. So hopefully we was hoping that the data would keep us in contact with the outside world, right? With everybody. But we've had no data. Well, the phone lines have been down for just almost 24 hours, right? On and off. Yeah. On and off, on and off, on and off. This morning when we got up, no service on our phones at all. Even though, like I said, we do have data, so it looks like the phone lines flow. I don't know about digital, we've got flow. Flow seems to be just down completely. So I am yesterday, sitting through the storm was easier than this part for me. No, honestly, because where we were, listen, the winds were very, very strong, but we just sat down near the patio, like I showed you guys. You would have probably seen that part already, and we just took in the breeze. Do you know what I mean? But this part, not being able to connect with anybody at all, not able to let them know that we're okay and we're safe, is the hardest part for me. So what we're going to do is we've just jumped in the car. The cool breeze is doing me good right now, the AC. Because I am suffocating and I'm stifling in the house. I'm suffocating and I'm stifling in the house. So the AC is good. But also we're going to go down to Ochi and see in Ochi town, in the centre, there's free Wi-Fi. I don't know if it's working. We don't know. We don't know if it's been affected. But there's a few places in Ochi that you can get access to free Wi-Fi. In the square is one of them. So we're going to go down, take a drive down there. And if the Wi-Fi down there is working great, at least I can give my family a call, my parents a call, and just let them know we're good, but there's no current, no Wi-Fi, and no phone service. Yeah. So fingers crossed, guys, that we can get some data or some internet access somewhere, because it's not working for us where we are right now. Yes. So let's see. First time on the road, so straight away we can see. Look at that! Oh my! Your glove is cleaning, by the way. Look at that tree in the road, guys. So it's blocking up all of that lane. Look, there as well. Oh my gosh. This is the aftermath, right? So as we're driving, we can see that a lot of the lines obviously have been torn down because of the winds. The winds are very, very, very strong yesterday. They're all strong where we are, but we It's gonna take a while for us to be clear. So we just have to be patient and understanding because they've got a lot of work to do, honestly.
But at least data supposed to be your phone, but you buy that different.
Yeah.
Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
So what the hell? You don't want no service pay for. No service.
We don't know, but we've got no service at all. But yes, guys, that's where we're at right now, right? Yeah. In terms of like loss of life and stuff like that, the Prime Minister did report yesterday, this is before our Wi-Fi went off, that no loss of life. But I did see something, I did see something yesterday when the data came on for a very short while, a couple of minutes, that one person has officially died. A group of young men were playing football in the hurricane, probably not the wisest thing. They were playing football in the hurricane. The ball went into a gully. One of the young men, should I say, jumped into the gully to get the ball, and the water washed him away. So the last I heard, they were trying to look for his body. I don't know what the update on that is because, like I said, we don't have no access to internet, so we can't, on TV, so we don't know what's what. So of course, condolences to that family, and hopefully everybody else on the island is safe. Hopefully there hasn't been any more fatalities. But yeah, I don't know. You guys at this point probably know more than we do, to be fair. Yeah, but so we just drove past these red breadfruits here. So we're gonna get one. This is our dinner today. Just roast, fresh. Freshly roasted. I know.
Just know.
Here it is. That breadfruit that we bought. That roast breadfruit. Outlaws fried it. A little cook up saltfish. That is it. Guys, look at this sign. Completely flat. Look at it.
Iron Brook.
Gosh. Alright guys, so we are heading back home. What we had to do was go to actually, like I explained, we parked up outside Scotiabank because their generator is working and they've got Wi-Fi there, free Wi-Fi, so you can access it from outside. So we sat in the car and using free Wi-Fi to make calls to loved ones and to let everybody know we're okay. Guys, look what we're doing. What time is it? Hold. What time is it? Something to 8. Alright, so see, we've still got no light, right? The house is in darkness. See the 2 candles I'm up there? Look what we have to be doing. Going in the car. The place is hot. Hot. We have to be going in the car. No, the place is in darkness. There's so no light. The house there. We have to be going in the car to charge our phones. Because the phone lines are back, even though we have no Wi-Fi, the phone lines are back. Going in the car, look, to charge up our phones, because we can't charge them inside, and also to put the AC on to get some cool air, because in the house is hot. I am burning up, miserable. Oh, just feel, honestly, look. Guys, you won't even believe it. So we're back in the car again. Oh, it's 22. What time is it? 20 to 10. It's 20 to 10 and we are suffocating in the house. Like, we're suffocating. We can't, it's so hot. Obviously still that current. This is the 2nd day now. I'm not doing a 3rd day of this. I can't do a 3rd night of this. Daytime's not too bad, but there's literally no breeze out there. None. I'm stifling. Like, we're stifling. It's so hot. So 20 to 10 and we're in the car. with the AC on in the car. to get a little bit of relief. I don't even know what's going to happen. I don't know if we end up sleeping out here or what, but
I think so.
You hear Outlaw City, we probably end up sleeping out here because we can't manage the house. I'm not doing another night of this. The aftermath of the hurricane is worse than the hurricane itself. Trust me, guys. I didn't plan for this part of the show. I didn't plan for this part of the show. This is when a generator would be useful. Yeah. Anyway, guys, the story continues, okay? Yeah. People, so update. It's the next day. The last clip you would have seen us in the car. What happened, Outlaw? What did we end up doing in the car?
Sleeping in the car.
We've slept in the car until what, 3:30?
Yes, this morning before.
This morning, yeah, and before we came back in the house.
That is
Guys, we could not stay in the house. It was hot, stifling. I felt suffocated. Couldn't, like, it was just too much.
It was never good.
Yeah, so we ended up sleeping in the car, guys. We just slept in the car.
Can't believe that.
Outlaw just turned on the ignition so that the AC could run, cool down the car, turn it off. When it got hot again, just repeat.
Yes, and the rain run us out of the car this morning.
Yeah, 3:30 the rain started, so we had to go.
If there wasn't any rain,
we
wake up this morning 6 o'clock in the car.
Yeah, in daylight. So we're not at home right now. So what we've done is, this is day 3 with no electricity, no current, right? And I'm fed up. I said, I'm not spending another night at home. I'm not doing it with no electricity.
Not an easy road, man.
And it doesn't look like we're going to get electricity anytime soon, okay? So we decided to check into a hotel. That's been a bit of a nightmare as well because, boy, we tried yesterday. The thing is, the problem is that we can't really get online because the phone lines are down. Flow and Digicel are up. No, Flow's up, then it's down, then it's up, then it's down.
Cut off from the world.
So we're really cut off from the world, for true. So what we ended up doing is all the hotels that we know, like places we've stayed, they're all booked out completely. So we ended up just jumping in the car this morning and driving around to different like guest houses and hotels and find out, have you got rooms?
So we find a little place we have kitchen on it.
We've got what?
Kitchen.
The kitchen?
There is the food there though.
Oh, the restaurant you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There you go.
Work with it.
Yeah. Yeah, so we have found a place. We managed to get the very last room. The very last room we got. Yeah, it's very traditional. You probably see some of it in the background. It's very traditional, but the room is very big. It's clean. And yeah, we'll be comfortable here.
Not bad.
For a night or two, maybe.
Not bad, not bad.
But yeah, I'm not going back home until the current comes on. So, yes.
So rich though.
Listen,